Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are learning React Native and facing errors while installing or running your project, then this video is going to be very useful and helpful for you. Today we will understand what is React Native Doctor. React Native Doctor is built-in diagnostic tool in React Native. It automatically checks whether the development environment is properly set up or not. It automatically checks Node.js setup, JDK setup, Android Studio setup, Android SDK setup, virtual device setup, and environment variable setup. React Native Doctor help you to find these issues quickly and automatically. How to run React Native Doctor to test the development environment setup. Open terminal and split into two parts. Into the first terminal, create the React Native app using npx space @react native community /cli latest space init space app name like test1 and press the enter key. Click on file menu, then open folder. Select your app which is test1. Click on terminal menu, then new terminal and split it into two parts. Into the second terminal, type the following command to run the emulator. Emulator -abd, then abd name, pixel 4 and press the enter key. Now we have to test our development environment by using React Native Doctor tool. For this we have to type the following command npx space react-native space doctor and press the enter key. After running this command, you will see the result. In this result, green check means everything is working fine. Yellow warning means optional or minor issue. Red cross means critical issue that must be fixed before running the app. So in this result, you can see that our Node.js system is working properly. NPM is properly installed. Android virtual device is properly connected. JDK is properly installed. Android Studio is properly installed. Android home variable is properly configured. And other dependencies is also working properly. So friends, React Native Doctor is very important tool for every React Native developer. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Computer Science Tutorial.